So here's a problem from mensuration that quite a few of you have already solved. The question states that there is a rectangle. I won't write the whole question down, but I'll kind of represent it by a diagram. Okay, there is a rectangle. Yes. Okay. Which has obviously a length and a breadth. Okay. Now the question says that the length is 3 times of the breadth, and the perimeter, that is perimeter for a rectangle, is 2 times length plus breadth. Okay, that gives you the perimeter. So many of you would have solved this problem already, because you can use your logic. Perimeter has already been given as 40 centimeters, am I right? Yeah, 40 centimeters. So you can just use your mathematical skill to solve it. Sorry, I wrote 4 centimeters. Let me correct that. 40 centimeters. Okay, but I tell you that actually while solving this problem, those of you who did manage to solve the problem, you actually used algebra without knowing that you used algebra. Okay, so algebra is just a formal name that is being given to a kind of mathematical logic that you use to answer questions involving unknowns. Okay, in this case, both the length and breadth are unknowns, but you can still find out what is that unknown using the information that has been given to you in a logical manner. Okay, so in algebra, what we will say is that this symbol L and this symbol B are what are known as variables. L and B are variables or unknowns. At the beginning, we do not know what they are. Okay, but we can still find out how they work. What is the information that is being given to you is that L is 3 times of the breadth. So that is the length of, let me just say that again. 3 times of the length is equal to the breadth. Okay. So you can fit the B 3 times over here. I know my drawing is not according to scale, so it doesn't look exactly like that, but that's the idea. So what we can now do is, instead of having the length over here in the equation over here, I can put, instead of length, what can I put over there? Can somebody tell me? Or would you like me to repeat the question?
Sir, repeat.
Repeat it. Okay. So I'm writing down the equation for the perimeter of this rectangle. 2 times length plus breadth equals 40 centimeters. Do you understand this statement?
Yes, sir.
Is anybody not able to follow the statement? Would you like me to explain it? Naima, you're the person who primarily asked this question, so you should be clear about it. If you're not, I'll explain it again.
No, sir, I'm clear.
Now you're clear. Okay. So what I'm saying is, let us look at the information. This is what we call as an equation in mathematics. Okay, so I'll write that in the bracket over here. It's an equation, and you can say that this is an algebraic equation because there are unknowns that are part of the equation. Okay, then how do we solve this? What we can do is, we can turn all the variables that are there into one variable. Okay, it's not always possible. It depends on the information that has been given to you. But in this case, it is possible because there are L and B, but we know a relationship between the length and the breadth for this particular rectangle. Okay, which is that 3 times B, that is B plus B plus B equals L. So what I can do is, instead of the L over here, I can convert it into B. How would I do that? Shall I just simply write it as 2 times B plus B equals 40? Can I do that? Is that fine?
No, sir.
No,
Why?
sir. B plus B plus B plus B.
Sorry, I couldn't hear that.
Sir,
Sir,
there
because
are
there's also
four
a
Bs.
That's because it's awful.
Sir, because there have to be four Bs.
Because there has to be 4 B's, right? Original equation is L plus B, and we know that L is B plus B
Equal
plus
to
B,
3B.
right? So therefore, I can't just replace L with B. That's not mathematics, that's magic. That's not allowed. Okay. So I have to correct this. Did everybody get that, or should I explain it again? Again, I'm saying primarily Naima, you asked the question, so you should be clear that that's understood.
yes, sir.
You understood that? Why I just can't put 1B? All right.
Yes, sir.
So I'll have to put 3 B's instead of the L. B plus B plus B. That is just for the L. So I put the L as B plus B plus B. And then there's one more B over here. So I have to also put that. Is equal to 40. Okay. Is this a mathematical statement? Is this mathematically correct? Is it acceptable?
No, sir.
Who said that?
The me,
I heard a no.
The me, mother.
What did you say,
Sir, it
Mudit?
is.
Mudit thinks it's not acceptable.
Yeah.
So Mudit, tell me why.
Sir, I don't think like four B's are allowed, like B plus B plus B plus B.
Yeah, but you should tell me what is mathematically incorrect about that statement.
Sir, actually, there should be only L plus B, right? 5B plus B, 4 B's.
But for that, I'm sorry, I just realized that we sort of going over the time limit. But just give me another minute. Maybe we'll solve the entire thing tomorrow. But just bear with me. I'll answer Mudit's question, and then we can stop. So the thing is, Mudit saying, why are you writing B plus B plus B plus B when it should be just L plus B? Okay.
Yeah.
But what we are saying is that L is actually nothing but B plus B plus B.
Yeah.
So why is the perimeter not, why can the perimeter not be written as B plus B plus B plus B multiplied by 2?
Okay, sir, I got it.
You got it? Okay. So
So then I think it's right because you're converting L into 3 B's, right? And plus the breadth.
Exactly. So,
Okay.
so mathematically, this is an acceptable step. So
Yeah.
I'm going to leave the question at this point. Those who can solve it by using this approach, okay, please solve it and send me the answer. I'll create a small assignment for this, and then we will discuss the rest of it tomorrow. Today we have run out of time. So see you guys tomorrow with the rest of this explanation.